how can you outline and cut parts of a photo on the iPhone? So let me guide you through the most common scenarios. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss the upcoming videos and any future updates. So of course, the built-in Photos app has a way to outline a subject and even cut it for depends on what you need, but the most basic example is that you go to the Photos app, locate a photo where some subject is clearly visible. You can hold down on it, you can see that it gets selected as such. Well, the selection may not be perfect, but it kind of gets the job done, and you can copy that and, for example, paste it somewhere else or add a sticker from it where you can add an outline of that image, right? So that's one way to do that. If you want to add an outline to an existing image, what you can also do is to use an app like a photo editor, something like Snapseed made by Google, where you can import images from your gallery and you can tap on tools to add more effects, and there is this thing called frames. So it's in the bottom right, and you can add, for example, a white frame and even adjust the width, right? And that's how it works. It's pretty simple, so you can add such effect very easily. However, if you want to layer things on top of each other and cut out parts and only outline that, well, in that case, it's better to use an app, something a bit more advanced like Photoshop, where you are gonna be able to layer things on the top of each other and add some effect to individual layers. But yeah, that's a different thing. Let me know if it actually helped you out, and let me know if you found this video helpful. For more quick tips and guides like this one, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later.